Welcome to Dog and Crow.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
This song is called Just a Boy. Boy, keep your mitts away. She don't wanna play, she don't want to. Don't you hear what I say? Boy, women aren't your rights. They don't owe you shit, they don't owe you. So keep walking away. You may be 26, but if you keep throwing a fit every time she turns you down, I don't know if you've heard, but if you call all women birds, there's no way you win her over. Just a boy, not a man. Boy, it's not hard to know that when a girl says no, she don't want you. You should know that. Boy, calling her a bitch will just prolong your itch. Don't be dumb, boy. Use the brain your mama gave. You may be 26, but if you keep throwing a fit every time she turns you down, I don't know if you've heard, but if you call all women birds, there's no way you win her over. Just a boy, not a man. Just so you know, your so-called friends don't. It's not a thing, girls don't owe you shit, boy. Just so you know, your so-called friends don't. It's just a way to try to make all the girls feel bad. Just a boy, not a man. You may be 26, but if you keep throwing a fit every time she turns you down, I don't know if you've heard, but if you call all women birds, there's no way you win her over. Just a boy, not a man.
Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah. You like sharp endings, don't you? You always get cracks when you like cut off.